Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone OnePlus 10T in a couple of minutes. Let's go. OnePlus today officially unveiled its new flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 10T. Even before the premiere, it was said that the stake in this model would be placed on the speed of the platform and charging. And so it happened. OnePlus 10T is the most powerful model of the brand, as it is based on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Society. As for the power subsystem, the device supports 150W charging, despite the fact that the package includes a unit that produces 160W. Although the OnePlus 10T has the status of a flagship, in terms of camera it is inferior to the OnePlus 10 Pro. The new model does not have a telephoto module that provides a triple optical zoom and a module with a 48-megapixel sensor and an ultra-wide-angle lens. And, of course, no Hasselblad. What then is there? The main module with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor, wide-angle lens and optical stabilization, an additional 2-megapixel for macro photography and 8-megapixel with an ultra-wide-angle lens. The front camera is 16-megapixel. The battery capacity was 4,800 mAh. The configuration also includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 adapters, NFC, stereo speakers. The operating system is Android 12 with Oxygen OS 12.1 interface. Dimensions: OnePlus 10T 163 by 75.37 by 8.77 mm, weight 204 grams. For the basic version with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of flash memory in Europe they ask for €700. For the version with 16GB of RAM and 256GB of flash memory will have to pay €800. This concludes the review. Bye bye.